When we are stamping for our customers, our support goes far beyond simply providing the die and press. We offer many different processes to assist our customers in reaching their final product. One of the most common processes we use are vibratory deburr and tumbling. We do this with many of our stamp parts to make sure there is no burr left from the stamping process. Some parts require it and some don't. After deburring, we tumble parts in a dry corncob mixture to dry and clean parts before packaging. Another process we often use is kitting. This typically means we are doing a certain amount of parts per bag or stacking in a particular fashion. We may even mark with special barcodes or QR codes. Another process is packing, which sometimes can be very complex. When it's simple, we sometimes put parts in vapor corrosion prohibiting bags and ship parts in boxes. On the complex side, we've had customers that needed us to make weekly or monthly runs to their facilities to avoid scrap caused by commercial shipping. This just shows that Overton is willing to do whatever is needed to follow through on high quality stamped parts.